Bawumia kwa BM Emfa Emra Bedwam Jubedi so on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Multi TV Big Boss is here live as so. Yes, to me on all our social media platforms from Facebook to YouTube. Oko Facebook are searching for Adom TV Extra. Adom TV Extra. YouTube searching for Adom TV. Follow me Akwasi Insia_6 ewo Facebook na any enkomo danda nyinam. So between and running there, the race of NPP flag bearership ahead of 2028 general elections. Yeah, oh my Ghana ebeko. Him said 31st of January 2026. A year afiye wumye. Bosumye wumine de etwato NPP ameko ekwa abato so akoto aba. Nipa obedu when you say Franka Tuni for 2028 presidential elections. And then we're blessed to have Honorable Catherine Afiku, a senior campaign member of Kennedy Ohine Japan's campaign team. Another pay, Gloria has been merciful to us. Yeah, well, the director of communications, Edman, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's campaign team. Ewaha, a former member of parliament, a former minister in the elsewhere John Ajekum Kufuor's administration, a former CEO Edma State Transport Corporation, a former communication director of the New Patriotic Party, Nana Akomea. Nana Mwachano
Commander, Major Sopa.
Nana Cordier.
Yegusumiya.
Party Muye.
But you say
NPP Party Muye.
Oh, Medianka, a year.
Okay.
Now, so wa bontia, ubeka se enye.
Okay.
Now, kase enye, metiwas ye, cause ye nye nim se, ye nye nim ne koso. But ne koso ne se, party no ye internal elections.
Okay.
Now, ube jia tum se, party bia se NDC o, CPP o, NPP o, so mo ye internal elections. I said Moa kasa mode mo ho ekọ akansie.
Yeah.
Nti ya wo beti se. Nsensem we si ntawa. Ebi se o pese o kan bibi a ebe ma ya to aba na ma wo.
Okay.
Na ye nto ma wo nyonko. Nti eba nsa na akọ eti se na heja bia ba party no.
Yeah.
Enu ti kra ntina ye ne ntem no. Se nkugo na ekodi 2024 no. Se ya masa ntawantawa ya mba me nye free home tem na afi ya nyada janka ye ho abomu a ebe ha ye te no kra kan pontina elections na ya nentem enti to bi kase party no say heja meja abamu a metina se ba me de me say normal.
Okay, so who there fortunate for you well live it through the times from 92 specifically I'm for the Nobeka 2007 Legon. Sa the ABC and now what was the difference between Enedia as against the previous presidential primary amount?
Oh, difference no shada endorse.
Okay.
Time bia ye koyesa elections here. We trouble way. Now we are trouble way. So obekaya 2000 1998.
Okay.
Penyimpa no wo party num samre no. Ono anakonta no so e wa kansie enum. Penyin no kan say na konta no e banche dada. Well, now the banche kodwa so na yampa na de echiso a obesan de akodwa so. And sir, we ono anakonta o.
If you money,
and now we even NDC.
Okay.
In summer, almost call more. I can see no bring no primary. See, you can some over kai. For some males in the year what we are seeing here, almost call you primary. Betuja.
Okay.
Meboa. Even CPP. Can some of my form who bekai Papa Christine Dumne Professor. Akosa amukọ election some mo chita for ni akeka fa mo nti normal enye papa se nipa no betimi o de na opese delegates no adwempa wo ma wo ni so ade ehu amotoma wa abo ma omo ni omo party ya ni oman no ene se odi tudwa nanso wo chef free 1993 a then bia na akoye kasantwi na me kantia we sema mrepi na mfata nti akoye te sa ababe ka yen politics
okay
but enya dia eye me bompa ye se monum mrantie musmo de mo bebejimu ai bia mo mre ebesesa
so Dr. Bawumia so far what do you for campaign to say
Dr. Bawumia wo Savannah region
okay
obewie enne se nyankopon boa enne to wie ya no chena obeti asimu aba Ashanti region me say me hwenim se makwa kan ne ho Ashanti
okay
Ashanti no obedi na wotwe mienu ene fa because constituencies ne doors
okay
nti maybe how to me 4 constituencies
okay
and maybe to 3 constituencies depending on send distance na
okay
nti bedi be na wotwe mienu ne fa so we are not just our call 276
we are Ashanti region now
we are Ashanti region
okay
nti wa ye adwuma na megidi say ni nwan mo ne omo pre omo so mo ye adwuma obi eboabo nhihye no senate no NPP nhihye no senate no sa na say wo ye no say okodipa no na ase constituency bia wo average of 1,000 delegates
every constituency
it be 1,004
okay
it be 1,005 it be 800 it be 900 the average no be say 1,000
okay
the 1,000 so untimi mboabo mu nyina wo faako
yeah
just o call na so yes abeka say when I me boabo 5 constituencies na just o dem sports stadium and the just o call na so call mu continue so call each constituency
okay
and 270 ntenye dwuma ketwa but so also be ya na say o yeah
so over 2023 campaign yeah Dr. Bawumia yeah ahead of 2024 general elections no operation be the NPP ameko enim and someone or can ye de to me free NPP delegates in chain enne ya also call the same delegates in chain no assemble no sa edemom to get him voted
oh na 7 there nani so ade ehu and or the 2 delegates then say am dey kan no obese nipa ne to abama e say o kire no so to abama wa juma obedi ama no
okay
ema na ono na brabo akonkan we na akoye internal election team e say o kire no ono delegate na no ono party executive no we ni so ade ehu ana on hihye ema no and afi on hihye for party na NPP no
okay
na afi say mreba mu na wo hihye bi for oman na nkasa na de no so account but titu no na Bawumia kan kire mo ye nhihye a owo for delegates na nkasa and afi party NPP no na owie na mreba mu a na de the niso ade ehu for man Ghana na nkasa nso account na wo hwe won say wo hwe party na bakosemo a free 1996 President Kufuor Breso
okay
obia party na to abaso omekuta franka se anko yi a party no esande no ba
okay
enye NPP nko NDC nso sa yinu so omekuta franka no na so kona anko yi a omusande no ba
say anko is went me we need the ultimate election now
and to be President Kufuor say the call 1996
okay
anko yi no esande no ba for 2000 elections emobe obedin kunim yera Akufo-Addo say the call 2008
yeah
anko yi no esande no ba biem na obedin kunim wo hwe NDC a 2000 almost the year Professor Mills by 2000 anko yi no sande no ba 2004
yeah
and some sande no ba 2008 and odin kunim de brown o hwe yira Mahama de no ba 2012.
Yeah.
Obedi nkunim. Satano president. Obedi nkunim. 2016. Omde ba ya ankoye. Omsande ne ba 2020. Ankoye omsande ne ba 2024. I know your president. To share parties emienu ne nya abakosem no. Omudi obi ba na wendi nkunima. Omsande ne ba. Tie no a favor Dr. Bawumia.
Okay, so we to us but and notice will be a kase. One now bobo mudino, one more day more, even in their first, second attempt, a shade in crime. And saying the Pansokas also had an echo for the next election. Who was a to sono. It's some bit me acquainting cream but some believe said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia first attempt, and so as compared doing a comparison of where NPP successive presidents, in your modi edi free.
And Tasum.
Okay.
And Tasum, if you say, ne who here asema delegates will be so more when say. And in Nipane I didn't call you. Your nuntina party ending kunim.
Okay.
Ebia ni modern boy, your different kind of share in seminal. Campaign on the modern bono nen swani.
Okay.
And now say name be or ni same be or kekan ye essay campaign no. Bet me actually say we or ni asemi or kokan na say juma we okodi wa hi essay campaign no. It is a party for no be some who say or ye different kind of share ni say oh ye bibia a kuntia campaign no ana. And na ya no wo mutri. Now share Dr. Bawumia. For party for dodo na eni o makasa wo constituency no. Omo abeka kire say enye Bawumia engina ne suntina party no edin kogo.
Delegates be breeze, I know.
That be bia be ko bia ebisa o.
Okay.
Na we kura hwe President Kufo. Bawumia elections here koya 2024 yenya 41.7.
Yeah.
Say wanyade sana nipa ne bika. But President Kufo, 1996, onya 39.
General elections?
Yes, onya 39%. Now, so free 39, no. Yeah, next election, 2000, general election.
Yeah.
Okoya onya be 54, 55 for runoff, no. From 39. In terms of 41.7, there were Nim Krachen, na President Kufo nya.
The first attempt.
1996. Na Yansha President Akufo-Addo. No nya 2008.
Okay.
So nya 49 points baby.
Yeah, that's the first round.
First round. Debe no nya 2012. Say sotia. Sotia. 2012 on a Mahama Koy. Vote no ba form. But party for an can say yedo ko no vote na tia banti say ni say amo hwe ni modern bo ahoden a odi share campaign no 2012 na nti no so sande ne ba 2016 enti modern bo a wo bebo ahoden a de be share campaign no ena be ma party for aka say o yade ana wa nyade ti amfa mbra na me amfa emba na hwe nhwehwemu ena nipa ni be mo ka so an bomodin a na just the account say Bawumia ntina a candidate problem.
Okay.
A candidate no nipa no franketunu ni na ono ntina yedi nkugo no. Anya no ngina so bia ni so. Captain, commander, mo ha ide bia mo na mo discuss nsema e koso. Hwe mu a ya ye a free 2024.
Okay.
Ansa na kwa koto aba no. Any if you more ya 2025 ye to abani wie.
Okay.
If you more ya 2024 ye koto abano. Ne kan say NPP bedi nkugu no. To say Afro barometer.
Yeah.
Amiji to say mo discuss mo table so. To say syndicate everyone saying. Musa Dankwa the very company is saying.
Global analysis.
Global analytics. if you show mom yeah on my cancer NPP be din kugo
yeah
this is global analytics to say Afro barometer to say economics intelligence unit our cancer NPP be din kugo
yeah
omunya tre nentia NPP be din kugo omni Ghana for ko din komo omunya tre obi an cancer candidate no a problem. Yeah, elections no. Yeah, I feel 2025. And also you feel more party na the KBC who are not Professor Kwe eda no. Meboa.
Yeah.
O free who global analytics in so asan ye say if you feel mu abrofu bi kra by from Conrad Adinoa. O fi German. Mo kwa ba be nhwehwe mu. So mo ni Ghana for kasa nentia o man to abama NPP. When Ghana for chair of my Virginia, I report to a beer anywhere. If you no chair say candidate no, then a problem. It is an obi any candidate no about me. I can't see no cancer about me until I loser. Intina so be any so. A Juma ya survey after survey. If you more ya yenya a beer anywhere about Dr. Bawumia. So
can it then be say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to a boy in 2023? Catch the NPP delegate biaye okwakwadi vote at the free. Say the challenge of the then Akufo-Addo-led NPP government nema NPP lose 2024 general elections. Now Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia aware of that existing challenge and as still catch the NPP delegate say sa biaye way 2 3 4 5 me kwakwadi vote at free wo e ma party na din kodem. Somebody to me shame sir.
Oh. Sir, I can't see.
Okay.
Say ni pani nya obi ase obi win.
Yeah.
2023 I can't see no. Nipa du ba mi aka ho ba ko. Ti nipa nkono.
Okay.
9 ye nkono wa.
Yeah.
Nipa nkono no so obi ase obi win.
Okay.
Anambwa.
Yeah.
Omu wa de kan se obi lose. And na omo ko akan see. Kwamna Japan se obi win.
Sure.
Brian a champion will be winning. Bawumia will be win.
Okay.
Kennedy will be win. Educhun will be win.
Okay.
Obi be win. And it depending on Nipanan said I reshema the amount. Now so jinaso.
Okay.
But who ye no free wa. Baby a Dr. Bawumia can say or desire who den for ebe can NDC NPP vote. O sha tise zongos ni say.
Yeah.
Vote no cost ropa.
In 2024.
In 2024. Vote no cost ropa. O share northern region, the entire north, the home region, northeast.
Okay.
Our NPP vote in terms of percentage, they pay than any other region. Northeast. O check here. The increase in the NPP vote in the northeast region is higher than any other region. So, and our Zongo communities, so NPP vote went up to about, in fact, OSHA your vote 2016, okay. 2020. Now the 2024. So 2024 vote in the Zongos much higher.
More than 2016.
More than 2016. More than 2020.
So what were the figures for? Me before
this. We have the best end.
Okay.
So polling stations in the doors.
Yeah.
We have the best end. The Zongo polling stations. No, actually. In this akasa na enye no kwai. But election there say a queen. Near a election, nipa ni be a normal base. So almost ye hand you over that. Ye will lose elections. Ne don't general simply who can say I can't say ye hand you over that because ye lose elections. O manka.
Ye because
ye lose.
But sadness because NPP lose and I said Chinchina ye establish ye who Mampania Kunyane so.
A coin be asked which say, okay, yeah, hand you over.
Okay, so the democratic way there, yeah, more hand you over.
Oh, sir, okay, say democracy near woman, to me by force.
And you to me.
And you to me.
Okay.
Into your cancer, naturally, say, ye lose.
Okay.
A coin be anywhere you be loose, into ye hand you over. A coin be anywhere be hand you over. Into no swear.
And some more handy.
Into no say, ever body part of ball. But what do you mean? Yen call near brain.
Yeah.
reviews ejuma hwehwemu a ekoso a me bigidi se ni nya beto table this so ade tuja dodo na kire se Bawumia edi anim anamboa
oka posa
post pesa me country
okay
enti hwehwemu a ya ye no ye co primaries dodo na kire se Bawumia edi anim enti I just said delegates, no imagine to.
It's much post na banam reading here. Almost DNT na Dr. Bawumia anyam kunim die 2024. But still delegates no esom that's what to me a GDA any arrangement
and na market on say NP parties no see ye the franka no share on sem na one could ding nkunim one could ding nkunim one fan kunim de amba.
Okay.
Yes and oba. Chi say bia uye bibi sonko a essay campaign a yebetimi de yansa esisu se wonti nkugo na ebaye no wo candidate no o kan ho pa na nkugo no ebaye ene de no party for be so much
so ade a favor Dr. Bawumia ye continuity culture ye wo NPP mu no
yes. both parties okay. Both NDC and NPP and afi no nsem na o kan share delegates no nsem na de
also be delegation day.
Also be welfare database.
Okay.
And you know, 230,000 executives your more party.
Yeah.
Obia din beko krataso. Any idea ehia. Okay. Welfare. Who say na American welfare? What idea ehia for aboabrabom. Obi o ha na bia opedwuma ma ne ba. Obi ho no ankasa pa adwuma obi ho pesika kakra de aye ne dwa bi opese odi obi ho opese obi adin ene ne da wakoma so ye beto krata so database na in the 4 years no say obeye president
yeah
sa enipa yi ade how me om da to krata so be make sure say obia because one complaints no back on a party for can say and intino o man shed and to abamo party. One of the complaints no here edidija yeah there's a party better na bemu infie ngotri yeah minya hwe okay shed and nya hwe and no party bia faces our problem. And now I make us NDC for faces our problem. There are just somebody share to a queen sa mi nya hwe no. Almost obeti me to one more. And this I complain no share Professor Kwe report no. Sa complain no party for editu japa say edidija. Mfi say nipa ni bi edidija o. Nti se Bawumia hyehyɛ ode ba se obia din bɛkɔ krata so ɛne wo hia asɛm baako bɛkɔ krata so
okay
nti 4 years no se ba ne se ye be to anamon we a ye bɛhwɛ one of scholarships na ba constituency ana mami we se op scholarship constituency as his cabinet dey boa business kakranka o na mami bi se owo alajo se op bibi kakra dey ayi se na be ya edidija no ebekofo sakasa no a top party for asumpa
okay
na fi ose obeye constituency budgeting yenye bi da wo memu ha
constituency budget
yeah the budget will be based on constituency o hwe budget na constituency be din enim
yeah
ye be kan say oh ye be ye kwan free circle to dual carriage from circle to Nsawam
okay
but me constituency your kind ko south me din ni budget Bawumia se oba be sesa no enu nti e be ye budget no a enipa na ye budget no on be call every constituency 275 no na 276 no na enipa na take decision for constituency be a handful
okay
assemblyman MP omo list of 2 or 3 projects are how more constituency. To me, fancy okay go south.
Okay.
And I say, my constituency aye, until Ayawaso.
Ayawaso central.
Ayawaso central. There also central, maybe something. There be here. Mo beka say oh, multimedia kwan ya fan of street.
Fan of street, yeah.
Huh?
Fan of street.
There be. Fan of.
Fan of. Oh, okay.
Fan of. I say and say water upon water.
Okay.
Because of flooding and never had. It's a gutter in the here.
Yeah.
It's in no friend no fa. It's a insuo upon insuo.
There's a brofoni ya
kan. Mo say. Okay, nti obi beka say oh, omo ba consume obi beka say fa no fa street.
Yeah.
Esa ejuma e wa ha multimedia nkwan ejuma e wa ha ni shops want the street lights work. Okay. Fa no fa street. So and na say e kwan bi da ho a e ko baby a saa kwan na yenye nti saa constituency ye pesa kwan nti saa ni nema mienu miensa enan for ayawa so ebeko budget num nti uhwe budget na be say ayawa so constituency ye be ye street lights of far no far street ye be ye kwan ya eko La Paz eko Caprice echihwe anase kwan ya eko New Town asihwe and those 3 projects no will be in the national budget. Nesika de be yen so allocated. E bin see that woman mu ha. Inti eba no sa na the local people na more constituency there hamono a budget no. Ena sika ya allocate for so projects no. And so na fe mo anso na mo be ye cause mo na mo constituency.
Okay.
Na mo anso mo ani ade akire. Sa kasa na top party for asumu pa. No say campaign I oba be ye. Say ye to aba manwa. Yeah. Akande no a party for here there ye juma campaign or form no. Enkofa obi so na aba. It never say regional executives one cry. Enkofa national e beba mo ho direct. Okay. And a constituency be ayawa so there no emfa region. Okay. E beba ayawa so direct.
So does it mean say previously Sana na 18% system at this time?
Fat structures no. Okay. Diana complains yensan kan yen there.
So nti oye ne sa e better na national regional etimi monitor constituency resources na ye de kwakomo mo directly.
If I record direct to the polling station.
Polling station, okay.
Right.
There's a better constituency level.
Constituency executives no. Okay. Constituency campaign team na at the constituency level. Mo benya mo there.
Oh, okay.
But mo there emfa region. Because most region as into normally never far region.
Okay.
Na ba emfa region. Okay. Eba mo directly. Na mo polling stations emfa mo constituency executives na emfa mo so. Ebe come because obi a wo momo.
So one the be monitor say na Akomea and wo polling station A.
Oh sir, we are
man 500 cities.
Say meba we are constituency executive.
Okay.
Unim say ye be chair campaign team no. Okay. Muna mo ye constituency. Ye be chair mo say ye the 1,000 cities are comma each polling station executive.
Okay.
Until you'll be informed. So
that communication will be clear to
be clear.
Constituency, regional and national.
The region so will be informed say every constituency team ya come on maybe at 20,000 cities. Okay. Until they will be aware for their monitoring purposes. Okay. But the fact is say eba omo direct no party for just omeni jehu because and see that a fast structure be so ansana sometimes member
we are by mukura na party na kaso campaign na di jamsu wom
commander oh wonderful who himself ade no na koso of former party for esuhu die di jani enya hwe na di jani enya hwe meboa and sometimes come see bibi background party ni PBS betray ska so what it is answering it is a wow din wo krata so
okay
and then ya on konko for obi so biem ye fa enipa wo for afforestation ye be hwe miles so mo pejuma nti ye konko for obi so na afi bako ade ba kon so abamya de ba secretary party we dun so ensi da constituency bia benya at least 10 appointments
in his government.
In his government. Sure, maybe constituency require one crime in the middle of Accra.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe your appointment kakra.
Oh, okay.
And I mean you are back MP never no da kwan di mo so your appointment.
Okay.
Into hwe mo a constituency so kan kwesat.
Okay.
Nipa mienu pe na party may work appointments.
To every constituency be 10 appointments.
10 appointments.
That will be 2,760 appointments.
President of Ghana, no.
Okay.
Sana constitution, Ghana constitution, rapport the man, or obey 6,000 appointments.
Okay.
The president of Ghana. Enti or say, Sana president na nini bi an for na pan for kakra bi eti bebi no mo ya appointments. There be maybe half Bema constituencies. The constituencies will be the nipa 10 party for our mufata. Appointments.
Okay, so with this
one,
one,
in Shishaya, a beboa into no we a party ni now open opinion beer. War constituency one penny for best 10.
Okay.
Until not 7 or the 2 delegates name no crown.
Okay.
Answer to the delegates no more how.
Okay.
And now history no so on the side. So because of time biano obi at the neighbor
okay
repeating. Enti Wareshemu say now say this time in the year 5. 2020 year 10. 10 dollars. Enti vote no.
And I'm also next man.
Yeah, say 5. Enti the percentage no be nya no kra be bro. Say last time so nya 62%.
Yes, 62%.
This time na nipa ni so no be nya between 65 and 70%.
Okay. Nana Akomea, Director of Communication, the Dr. Bawumia campaign team, the no entry enkomono for a message for WhatsApp number is so 0531 029 795 0531 029 795. Yeah, for din baby the message ni free bano e kama ye ba me ba be message no adwuma question bia obi a ya pay enchire obi a be Nana Akomea no enchire mu efma bedwam die ya da nwa ba ise. Yes, I will not be a famra bedroom to be so Nana Akomea, Director of Communication, the man Dr. Bawumia campaign team, and then no entry common and pay. Now, penny minute sending message before said me call as we cast a gold board jewelry. As well for so open gold a candy atom. Nature idea the gold aye. A bit say as smart dear. A bit say bandy a little and say ebi. Say ye ring, say ye chain, open pure gold part of the air. Gold board jewelry. Almost showrooms, they're going to be FF3 one. A home kwan abenya papa powder catcher say a 18 karat gold ring and water on the amount. A sap pepper, whatever two machines on there's a and yen yakofa gold dust, and they have a be gold board jewelry shop, a honey ton gold one year man, and their film say, so Osha gold board jewelry near mana upia, and yet I will fake canadi pure, or the Ghana in now so na asa a especially more Amanonia Mabagana, Mbencha Bessa Akobakno. Gold wakati FF3 gold board jewelry. All showrooms one crime. Ebisu Okumase. Akabako our Diamond House our Kimbu Road. From what 0555 810 005. Oxford Street Osu. From what 0556 771 438. Otele Avenue our East Legon so showroom bako orum. Also from what 0553 163 811. Marina Mall, our Spintex. It took called Marina Mall inside one now. Your gold board jewelry. Almost showroom back or them. Also from 0556 771 414. Tema Community 11. And so from 0556 771 415. And Pama Arcade, El Kumasi. Also showroom back or one. From 0556 771 416. And I prepare the first international airport, Kumasi. The name say friend Kumasi Airport, no. Also showroom back or friend 0531 040 808. Gold board jewelry. Say discover the collection that marries heritage with modern luxury. And find out good year. To onema papa enyina for free. Gold board jewelry shop. Queen Bee's Catering and Decoration Service and so any. One of us say open baby. Obey aduane kama ade asoma wo say ye eye say ye wedding say ye engagement and na po me na ye aduane ade ama and na decoration bi bia na apa for Queen Bee's Catering and Decoration Services no mebo ye pa hwehwemo e okwashiman omni Macedonia Methodist asore no ene di enmhwem bibia ni afre 0244 362 256 0244 362 256 and 0208 971 019 0208 971 019 Fred Quimbis na on sumune wa wo enyina eti so nana quick one before say meko other messages abaso no permisu watie wa na misa say near Dr. Bawumia Kena send him punto na deba no or the bama NPP for Guana.
Oh, Debbie. Sir, na buy was we appointments no okay. And this is for MP the war buying appointments no. Party bia ba or appointing in Crawford. Anambra.
And their family and friends
No. Let me say appointing me family and friends.
Okay.
Baako mmienu betimi afrem ene aban atiso yi say obi say ni nwa wa ha namba so what it is answer me nti party bia ni wiase ma obaba beka say on appoint the party for na Bawumia de ba yesronko ne say instead say nipa ti say ya wo studio ba say 5 ya betena se ne aye no
okay
ni afa party for na say won ti say obi say ono na or no need feeling a appointment. Say what it is answer.
And I was at to see would you be so appointment for this?
No, obisi a media free himself. Obisi me feeling a appointment. What is his answer? It instead said nipa mienu miensa never better not them no my appointed party for.
Okay.
But me say me jam constituencies no. Into constituency be a more family nipa 10 members. Okay. Now, no, half the appointments are president now. 10 times 270, that's about 2,700. Or another 3,000 appointments are. And also, and also, okay. Until only the animal will bring order. The bear nipa me and be just one who we are when your appointments. Not say more.
Okay, so Papa. Mama share amount for WhatsApp messages here already about questions a bisa. Dr. Bawumia through Nana Akomea. Okay, so let me start from here. Well, say good morning. My name is Eben from Kwabenya. I'm so much impressed by President JDM government. Particularly Adia blockade. Okay, for clearing the energy legacy owed, the government needed to be applauded for carrying Ghanaians along in terms of governance, both appropriate to the government. Greetings to Honorable MC Agbo of Ga East. Okay. On the and Mamitre wing. We see good morning to everyone. Good news and difference is that the government has not gone to borrow money from anywhere to settle our debt. And Ghanaians has seen that their taxes has been used in purpose. In any case, is the NPP telling us that the government should tell Ghanaians about the payment regards to Honorable MP. Okay, alas, say they are also any buyers. We say good morning. Dr. Bawumia was sold as the economic messiah to help Nana, and it went bizarre. So when he wins, is he coming back to let us trust him on the economy? This is a waste of time. Okay, take one, Alexander. So then as this question, who you are not saying, say Nana don't for the Dr. Bawumia buy. Basically, obeboa ne economy sense, but mufri power na economy no the challenge at the Ghana woman no no so why bring back Dr. Bawumia? Yeah, the economy share is I'm not say uncle ye.
Obeji atum say COVID no buy no.
Okay.
Enye Ghana nko economies across areas in COVID no be say obia economy. Anambwa.
Yeah.
Enye Ghana nko America, why China. Maybe COVID no be say economy no. 2021, 2022, 2023. She me say the company na me here juma STC. Me dem fatun keke na me here.
Okay.
Business na here was STC no, state transport no. 1/3 of the business no jina francophone.
Okay.
We can francophone Côte d'Ivoire, Burkina, Togo, Benin. Your business wo every week be a 30 buses and a year dinner free Côte d'Ivoire, a Bessinko Benin, free Benin, Bessinko. COVID no buy no. Ya tumboda no 2 years. Enti immediately no STC sika yenya 1/3 of the revenue was wiped off. Time na CD no say 2022, 2023, I call ya kukudu 17.
Yeah.
spare parts, petrol. Enti ebe gu ejuma literally.
Okay.
That's just one company. Sana affect multimedia say moha. So this COVID
yeah.
Enti COVID no be say economy ya. A call ya no ya den share to a coin mu a na afi economy no peja. Nti so be kaya NPP be free so no.
Okay.
Na city na ho dey no from 17 no. A peja ba 14.
Okay.
So na NDC for so to aswe. But we hear no free wha. Commander, Ojidi say Bawumia now are in charge of the economy during Akufado's time. Meminjindi.
Sana
Nenti aminjindi in the same. Of course, Akufado campaign or can say or the Dr. Bawumia eba.
Yeah.
So nimdie e wom. Your friend macro economy. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Oba power no. Ojidi saw the economy ni share Bawumia. Nenti ami kasa in the same. Economy no say you know. Yeah, NPP. NPP ankasa.
Yeah.
Members of Parliament. I can't say economy no say. Emma ne say na economy. Emboa party no, emboa omano. Why normal can't say ye nyinedi? Or normal disobo no board no say ye nyinedi. For economy na say. So okay.
Yeah. So mo can say yeah reshuffle kino for atanan.
See any finance minister nedi.
Yeah.
Because ono my economy no I say the sobo no bo finance minister.
Okay.
Debe na president Akufado kan share. Akufado an kan chom say there be economy dem da share ba mi ansem. Okay chom say opo ma chew. Amon finance minister no mre kakra na onye ntoto ye IMF International Monetary. So okay.
Yeah.
NDC for ankasa. Onu so parliament work kwan so be saki minister.
Yeah.
If be from censure.
Yeah.
I'm the motion to censure about parliament
Against
the finance minister for the economy. And I'm a motion number for vice president.
So then that's what can I say here? Is it not because President Akufo-Addo so edit Dr. Bawumia eba as the backbone for economic management, you know? Now he also have at the back of the mind say Dr. Bawumia eme finance minister, obenya finance minister. Yeah. But Bawumia the name the any suyon na wenya no ebe tie finance minister no echi. It is say anko ya. Ade ti na mana akwa say eye kenofrata challenge but yenyi Dr. Bawumia.
Oh, say ne de nema na anko ye ne de but Dr. Bawumia onyi ne hu free mu.
Okay.
Me hu say waka o baby a waka say no nka ba ne hu ana say nema na anko ye no onka hu. Chi say bia obi chem say wakoka bi. Onyi ne hu free mu. But who can say on the economy ni share in somewhere? Mitchell said the facts on the ground and support us as
So President Akufo-Addo can say
Obeka said finance minister he said 2019 or baby or there could be by 14-man committee someone share see the no man. So okay.
Sure.
And Mr. Akasa said Bawumia no you're in charge of the economy of the city. The facts on the ground doesn't support it.
But I say, well, say good morning, Akwasi. Good morning to you and Nana Akomea. NPP were waiting for changes from the finance ministry, but he refused. Calm, cool. All shall be well. Okay. Big fat chairman, I say, once I mentioned that NTSC. Well, say, Akwasi, good morning. Both delegates and Ghanaians support the bid for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia for the flag bearer position and win the 2028 general elections for us. Greetings to Nana Akomea, Kwame Asante, Edward Fisseshi, Chirano, and Ode Ebaye. Well, sir, good morning, please. My name is Felix Bruku from Somenya. I want to tell NPP delegates that Nanado as president cannot be at all places at the same time. And that's why he appointed ministers to represent him at all sectors. So if the government failed, it's the ministers who failed because they mandate the sectors. Dr. Bawumia was not a minister. He was a vice president. Thank you, T. Also, no. Okay. Good morning. I'm Sir Vanisha from Efia constituency. Nana Akomea says the Zongo vote went higher, which is never true. We have 3,000 Zongos and we lost 2,999 and won only one Zongo. That is Ifutu. So it is not true. Bawumia, as economic messiah, was brought in to help solve economic issues. And he being head of economic team and all the research polls, he and Akomea said results showed NPP lost way back 2022 before the 2024 elections. Because of the economy, so did Bawumia achieve this target? Hell no. Bringing Bawumia back will be a train wreck. The grassroots and Ghana youth have seen the light and yearning for Ken for jobs. Also, I don't know. We see Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia is the best candidate for the 2028 general elections from Abizo, Karachi East, OT region. We say, good morning and thank you for this show. Wish all aspirants the very best. Whoever wins our party primaries, we will all solidly support to win as power. Alfred, Deban, Edward Free, Winnipeg, and Ebai. We say, good morning. I'm watching you live inside Amasaman. Greetings to my uncle, Honorable Nana Akomea. He's doing a fantastic job for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and NPP party. Dr. Bawumia is winning hands down. It is possible. Rich ideas is what we want. Amasaman constituency is for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia from Befi and honestly way Ebai. We say, good morning. Honorable Akomea, we need you back to bring the fire back. NPP is gradually losing its glory, especially in this current executives, Walanyo, Edward Free, Akwatia, and Ode Ebai. We say, good morning. Please ask Nana Akomea concerning the 10 appointments for each constituency. What is the guarantee that those appointees will take care of the party people? Because we have had appointees in the past who doesn't pick up calls, who gives promises and fails some of them, even don't want to see you because you did not support their candidate. Kennedy Ohina Japan says he will create jobs for the majority of Ghanaians, not just some few individuals. We will vote for Kennedy Ohina Japan. Henry Edway Efri Cape Coast and also Eddie Ebai. Western, good morning. You are speaking well. Your composure alone speaks a lot. From Kauri, Lincoln, United Kingdom, and the Free Ebai. That Nana Akomea is the reason I love NPP. I love everything about him and it's my role model. DMB is what we want. Can you ask Daddy to give me his phone number? Okay, we want to be closer. So Dominic wait free in Zima and or the Ebai. Where so dear and so ADM. We see I'm bright from Kasua. What is the NPP doing to bring back those who are beef by the abysmal performance of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Bawumia government? Okay. We see. Good morning, Nakwasi. Please, I would like to ask why Honorable started his analysis from John Ajekum Kufuor and not Aduboy. Is it because the statistics do not favor his candidate, Dr. Bawumia? I am Sapom from DKC and connected. 80, Nana, one issue. The national...
okay. Sir...
What responsible?
I mean, I say Kennedy for jobs. Kennedy for jobs.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Kennedy so a chair and nisu adie hu. And near shushe.
Okay.
Chair when nisu adie hu. Sena kasa na akwe kasa ntwi. Akwe se wo kasa tia entreni eno de enye. But nisu adie hu de eye. And near shushe. Minya candidates no ma bay. Obia ni ho a on kan se ono de oba. On fan hihye ya de adwuma beba.
Okay.
Homunya utie kwam na Japan. O se ono so de hihye ba be ma adwuma ba. Utie Bawumia ono so de Bawumia po de o ka se wo hwe hihye ya sa interoperability e ba yi. Wo hwe mobile vendors aba.
Okay.
Move the number of mobile vendors from about 100,000 to another 900,000.
Okay.
Ideas ade adwuma ba. Utie educhuma no so se odin hihye ba bi. Utie Kennedy ono so se odin hihye ba ba. Say na adwuma do bia enisuade hu a it cuts across. Obi see na 10 appointees no.
Yeah.
Omoba.
Then a chess on boa party for the war form.
Well, the difference is that say nema mienu one. The appointments back from Nipa Mienumi and Sebia Ben president.
Okay.
It's coming directly from the constituencies. Inti momo de nipa no ba ese mu hu se mo de nipa omo ben mu.
Okay.
Amo hwehwe omo a. In any case, mo nam de omo bae. Inti omo betena ho be 1 year, 2 years na mo hwe se omo nye niam e beboa. Mo betimi di petition because nipa ye na de ne bae.
Okay.
No.
So then a quick one on a national appeal. Beyond the NPP, would you say Ghana for a Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as president of Ghana?
Me da me gidi, but me nkwa me gidi de me can say me nkwa. But o hwehwe mu a ba.
Yeah.
O global info analytics na. Or no, what the best chance of giving NPP power. Nyame na make. This is what a Juma hwehwe mu a nipa na ye global info analytics mo ma ye. This is what they are saying. Say he has the best chance of all the NPP aspirants. Now saying the last survey be or you say Osaka. Yeah. That's what they are saying.
Yes, so Oshe Ghana for.
Afi me free her zongo votes no me dey. No opinion back.
Yeah, or say on my 3,000 zongos or simulusu 2,999 living a futu zongo and kwa na mu wini ye.
Me din ya be send you before so. The list of zongo polling is about me edin kunim. But you can't say votes na kostro. I know just so we knew baby.
Okay.
The percentage na kostro.
Okay.
To say yes.
Because what share obiti say Professor Mpensenpensenmu has a huge challenge with Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to lead the NPP again. Because Sophie said he's not cut for looking at the trade no nye free and then another danko Akufo-Addo.
Professor Mpensenpensenmu I say just about Bawumia untimi nyine hu free Akufo-Addo aban.
Yes. Like ultimate chen hu fem free Akufo-Addo contrast.
Now no Professor Mpensenpensenmu wait me actually hu free aban. So now so no your cabinet minister. And then you're the same person you can say. So the same person there.
Okay.
Me Akufo-Addo aban ba obetna so mfie nwotwe. I was never a cabinet minister. Now the government in Swa is the president and cabinet.
Cabinet, yeah.
Cabinet, no more two president before. No shada kukushia every Thursday or Friday. I can say be taking decisions. President Netio, and the ministers ne trying to share.
Okay.
Me na minti sa table no subi. Mpensenpensenmu not ti table no subi. Ti say na Bawumia so ti sa table no subi. Inti so ka say obi entimi ntwene ho no obetumi atwene ho. Nti na president before batin bass obey election na yen ka say sense no so no kan Akufo-Addo aban no nti no onfata. Nti ase she say be a different professor na kan was the same professor there and you know na so kan ka sense. He was a cabinet minister. I think now there are at least 2 portfolios and another back. No yet.
I think obey environment minister, obey chairman of the interministerial committee on illegal mining.
Ah, we now to Akufo-Addo for inti ubeda na inti na minwa. So the President Mahama.
Yeah.
2016. Ono no nye cabinet minister.
Yeah.
No nye vice president. No ye president. Ono no table na okay. Second of all to abetia nabai.
Sure.
So that time na yenti bida. Meboa.
That's a loss of margin.
The margin na kugo na odi na ebin see that.
Okay.
2016. We then you say okan ban bi hu o. Ono na no ya ban no. As you say no that's your president.
Because also a baby.
And he said Odi President Mpensenpensenmu na okan echi dia. Na insistant ka President Mahama Nkosan be president.
So are you telling us say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia esua lessons be from the real 8 years as vice president? Onyaye.
Obia esua lessons. Obia me sure say Mahama esua lessons.
Yeah.
Obia esua lessons. So obia economy nti baby a onan ball boa o tie ya no behwe no yi bo na free house na be a o san fa ho tie hwe be boa so obi asua lessons na nipa ya abey akuku damfo yi so munya apart from kwabna Japan no munya no ka ba ne ho Brian say no or cabinet
yeah no that was a great minister
edu chum say no cabinet
education minister yeah
Canada Japan say no
board member yeah a board chairman for Ghana Gas
yeah. An important place like Ghana Gas. Ghana Gas Ejumano goes directly to affect the economy of Ghana. Anambra. Inti omunya se no mka ba ne ho. Tena so obe different pon bo aten achi dia na se so omunya nko mugina ho.
Yes, then can was nka kwabreja pon kwa nka. Ona betimi yin ho afrem.
So we be different pon boatin echi a. Ono fi pon boatin na aposo ntimi ngina. Because ono so no cabinet obi. Ntimo onja asa akasa.
Okay, so quick last one na jamenya emao control. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Ohwe ensensema odu a ekoso. Nipa bi e support no ensem o moka. Mpensenpensenmu abronye. Honorable Kennedy ohine Japan abeka se Dr. Bawumia na tai abronye echi ema no di natem. Is Dr. Bawumia worried about some of the utterances na e free abronye e hoba no?
Yeah. Abronye support Bawumia pa.
Okay.
Enti o kan sen bi na efisa no ohye dodo a. Ye nya ne sometimes Bawumia smile me friend, sometimes Bawumia kasa ne kasa. Me wo so regional chairman on support Bawumia na ya mba besra na ya na ye obi. Oni ne kasa. But to say or no na what cancer match.
Yeah, according to Canada, Hone Japan.
Entro. No cry be any. Nipa na mukasa ma Canada Japan. Nsem na mu Kenya ono asma. Ono asma. Papa yo wo me area we friend say. Na no Ghana gas no. Abua papa ni dia kasa ide.
Ne so su bempa.
Ne so su bempa.
Yeah.
So can bibi na me feel say na o kan bibia nima me frɛ no me frɛ Kennedy Japan because me ngi this Kennedy na smart. This is na Kennedy e Kennedy na che so no na Osman in club. Na say papa bi so Kennedy nwia. Me nim no. It is all can say nipa na o support to Kennedy no ti say na Akomea no ya ho ya. Me papa me nim no ba bia. Yes say Kennedy nwia. Mr. Kennedy, madam for power. You be son of a country. Nancy call me constituency. Okay, I say, I'm say, and then I'm saying, okay, country, I'm so me, and I'm for power, come me, now for 5 free ticket. And so be TV so can say, me didn't know ya, until I'm in support. The people me no. Me Frank Kennedy in Bisano, because me this a Kennedy next man on Kansas. Until Obi or Becca Sem, Sabi T.
Yeah.
That's a me can be na me fan say, and ya. To say about me and this akasa ni share many.
2023, Dr. Brian Champon supported Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Dr. Yosef Chumi supported Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Dr. Bawumia is worried, say, going to 2026 presidential primaries. Sankro for supporting no wholeheartedly. A bit of musika wa won do nim dey supporting no. Not this time. These same people are contesting. What does it tell him?
Oh. Say akonya de ebeto a. Obi a ho kwan so obepre anambo.
Okay.
Akonya tato. President Akufo-Addo. Ono ankasa ne ma wa training over the chamber. Akufo-Addo Mpensenpensenmu. Say bi ni be contesting. Unim za. Me boa.
Ye ba ye ka omo yi omo nim support support the candidate say am probetimi e die party.
Yeah, but I don't say akonya na ba beto.
Yeah.
Ono so feel say nimre na edu. Anamboa.
Okay.
Na hu hia attitude ni say si ewia election ya.
Okay.
31st ya. Ni penya on be san ba be support.
Okay.
Bawumia.
Okay.
Because I don't know be win. Enti eno na yen dwen ho.
But
say ewia obia be san kan bom.
okay.
Na support. Na nipa 9 year ne contest yi. Ah. Ewia so obia beta na chi. Tell na hu hia but akonya na to de. Obi ho kra ho because your friend is testing the water. Who are boss of the testing.
Now Akomea, Director of Communications, demand.
And did nobody pay up test.
Now Akomea, Director of Communications, demand Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia campaign till now to start a pay so yeah no equity and when I pay the so nya bre ebeka ye ho na meka os nyakopon ye ademu a memreda na ye de maame mata aku nupenu eto empem eye Anthony nupenu ne maame ye ofri memreda ne maame eto empem te brendo abacho me yakone enkoja Anthony nupenu na maame ofri medidi akwasisia na se kese komo bia o china da ofro nana Akomea background